has 3D effects. So unlike many tablets out there today or user environments, when you press down and move things, it's very static. I can see it moving, but I can't really feel it. But with this, again, as I move this around, there are so many other DS11 type effects that these guys have implemented that really makes you feel like that touch experience is much more immersive. And then finally, talking about not only what you can do in this Metro touch optimized user interface, as Manju said, there's a whole second part of the experience with Microsoft, which is your classic Windows desktop. So this is what the Windows desktop looks like. The first thing I'll show you is the task manager. As Manju is pointing out, part of the reason that Microsoft's able to implement more aggressive power management is they take applications that you're not running and they suspend them in the background. So there's the game I was running, there's stocks, and now I go back here to my desktop environment and you'll see this game will now go into a suspend mode. So it shuts down all the processing power, but it does keep the memory footprint so I can go back quickly to it. So as you have many of these applications open, you're going to need a nice large addressable memory space, and that's something that the AMD 64-bit architecture will provide you. So as you know, there are tens of millions of applications today that people continue to use on their desktop, whether it's something like Visual Studio, so I actually can develop applications and run them on the same hardware, or I'm doing word processing, PowerPoint, any of the applications out there today, if you want those to run and run well in your classic Windows environment, which is part of Windows 8, that x86 architecture and all the legacy that implies from a software perspective as well as the peripherals, that's going to be key to your Windows 8 experience. So we're very excited by Windows 8. There's a lot of work we've done already that, again, if you go get this developer build, put it on your systems, you're going to see all that performance out of your graphics hardware now with the x86. And we're looking forward to when that comes out. And if you're interested, again, in what some of the key software developers are doing, not only in Win 7, but with Win 8, I'll reiterate what Manju said. Please come and check out the software track this afternoon to see what some of these guys are doing.